A 3-car crash last night hurt 9 people, 7 of them critically. Of the 7 hurt critically, 2 were under age 10. Law enforcement officers say the preliminary investigation shows that one car headed southbound on Umatilla River Road hit a second car headed northbound near Cooney Lane, which is near Hermiston, and then a third vehicle hit the second one while trying to avoid hitting the first vehicle. The Umatilla County Sheriff's Office says the driver of the first car is suspected of being impaired, but the crash remains under investigation.